Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. And there's one on the tongue. Ah! Oh, I'm feeling the pain. Woo! How do you think they're doing so far?
Not bad, not bad. Good pace.
They are both feeling every single snap.
Oh, what about me? Ah! It's gonna really start to hurt here, though.
Yeah, at what point does the blood start showing up? Oh, right about there. Okay.
Seth is getting sloppy. Those traps are snapping just before they reach his tongue.
Yeah, smart move.
Oh, yeah, here we go.
We got a race now.
We do have a race going on.
Ow.
We got 10 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. Let's hear it. You feeling all right? A little bit of bruising.
That was quite a display, and Stuart's got quite a job determining just how many traps connected.
Stuart, what do you got for us, buddy? Let's make it official.
Mr. Leach,
Yes, sir.
the number of mouse traps that you successfully released on your tongue in 1 minute was 13.
Oh. All right.
Now, Mr. Gupton, you did considerably better. The number of mouse traps that you successfully released on your tongue was 31.
That's a great number.
Double fail.